I just fought so hard to get you back, and here you are still suffering for what Sybil put you through. I hope you know how much I appreciate how hard you fought to get back to me.
That's what I do. That's what I'll always do.
How did you keep fighting so long after Damon broke?
I was an orphan. Abused. Abandoned. Spent the better part of my life tortured by a man who stripped me of my identity. A century like that, you harden your heart and your mind until you're made of stone.
But you're not. You're kind. And you are loving.
Thanks to you. All those years I kept a secret from the world. A shred of faith. See, I never believed that life, the universe, higher power, whatever you want to call it, nothing would allow me to suffer so much and then die without knowing true love. Just be too cruel. And when I met you, my faith was rewarded.
So, basically, I'm an angel.
Bonnie Bennett. It's me of the whole damn world.
Turn